This video will show you how to engineer a professional dashcam using an old, retired smartphone. This is a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Your old smartphone is often superior to a budget dashcam. It costs nothing, has better optics up to 4K, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and an internal high-quality GPS chip. To optimize the hardware, start by performing a factory reset and wiping all old photos and apps. Update the operating system and then disable Bluetooth and NFC. Turn off background app refresh and block all system notifications. Install a dedicated dashcam app. For Android, options include AutoBoy Dashcam. For iOS, consider Dashcam MovieBox. These apps record in the background, detect crashes, and offer easy data management like Cloud Sync or YouTube uploads. Dashcam apps utilize a loop recording engine. When storage fills up, the app records a new video block and overwrites the oldest one. This ensures continuous recording without the need for manual file deletion. The phone's internal accelerometer acts as a G-sensor. Upon detecting a collision or physical shock, the app locks the current video file. This prevents the loop engine from overwriting critical incident data. To secure the hardware interface, use a short-arm suction cup mount. Position the phone behind the rearview mirror, checking for wide-angle lens clearance, and prioritizing your legal field of vision. Continuous video recording drains the battery quickly. Connect a cable to the 12 volts power outlet and use a high-output charger to maintain a 100% charge during use. Thermal management is crucial to prevent hardware failure. Direct sunlight and the processor generate internal heat. Position the phone near an AC vent and always remove the phone when parked. Balance your data architecture by selecting the appropriate video resolution. 1080p is the sweet spot, balancing clarity and storage. Install a high-endurance micro SD card and enable cloud backup for collision events. Execute monthly health checks. Format the storage card to prevent file system errors. Clean the camera lens to avoid nighttime light glare and pull the suction mount to verify physical security. By repurposing an old smartphone, you create a smart, sustainable, and reliable witness. You save money, reduce electronic waste, and secure your drive.